Many children and abundant milk. So you'll be able to feed them. What a beautiful dua. And she kept making that dua for me. That's why, alhamdulillah, we have all of you. Inshallah, we have abundant milk. Coming from our cow, alayhi salatu wasalam. Our sacred cow. Alas, now we're done. You think, who's Rumi here? You think Rumi is something and I am something else? Mm-hmm. Using the tongue of whom you are talking about Rumi there? Mm-hmm. You are not seeing Rumi being actualized and realized here? You understand? Mm-hmm. So there is a whole dichotomy actually in our brains that is problematic here. Mm-hmm. If you talk about universalism, who is your prophet? Who is your leader in this universalism? You think you are more universal than me? What are you talking about? You have more connection to Rumi than me? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Even a hint, the slightest hint of that thought is a blasphemy. The slightest hint, the slightest, just be careful. Be careful. Who was more connected to the hippies? All your hippies. We put that to shame. Don't come and compete with me on that, on that ground. They will beat you. Don't come and try to compete with me on that ground. Who is more connected to the hippie language? Who is actually more, what is it? Tuned?
In tune.
Huh?
In tune.
Aligned with the hippie language. Who is daring to use it? Even in the khutbah of the Jumu'ah. Please, make sure, because that's playing with my reputation. Be careful. Be careful. I'm telling you, really, be careful. I become more jealous when it comes to that than attacking me of shirk. Than accusing me with shirk. I will burn you if you do that. Be careful with playing me like that game. You are not more open than me or more universalist than me. That's my card. And they will beat you. Anyone who comes to compete with me over that. I put my reputation there and people are attacking me because of that. Let me teach you how to be revolutionary. Let me teach you how to be universalist. Let me teach you how to be interfaith people. Don't come and play with me on that. Don't give yourself a hint that you have something to teach me about that. You want to learn how to have true interfaith? Bismillah, come. You want to learn how to be open to non-Muslims? Come, I will teach you how to be open. You understand? That's my file given to me by God Himself in this time. Openly I say it. You understand? Don't compete with me on that file. That's my file. And when I say it's my file, not Habib Umar's file, that's my file. Not anyone else. That's my file today. I know it's a matter of know-how. I know that all of you here, and I know how much each and everyone has given, and some of the people here in this room, they gave 50,000, and some people in this room, they gave 70,000 between husband and wives. I know there isn't a single person in this room who haven't given a very respectable amount. We know that. Don't put that. Don't put coins in the masjid. That's a blasphemy. Don't put coins. The minimum is $5. We are in Canada. Don't put coins in the masjid. Jumu'ah, never pray Jumu'ah without putting money. Please. Please, wallahi, it's dangerous. Do you know, wallahi, it is dangerous for your religion. By experience, I know it is dangerous for your religion if you dare to go to the Jumu'ah and listen to the khutbah and you don't put a sadaqah. Wallahi, believe me, it is dangerous. I'm not a mufti just because people don't call me. You know what? I'll tell you, it is haram.